Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert uppercase to lowercase in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some text with uppercase. Now I change this text uppercase to lowercase. At first I have to select this all text, then go to format menu. Now you can see here are text option. Click this text option and go to end of this text option. Now you can see here a capitalization option. Now I choose lowercase. Now you can see I convert uppercase to lowercase in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.